Meet Susan. She owns a local contract cleaning company. She's had a rough couple of days. On Monday, she got an unexpected tax bill through the post. On Friday, she's worried she may not be able to pay her staff. Susan needed some fast cash to help with cash flow, but she did not want to be tied with a bank loan for a long period of time. She searched the web for a short-term business loans and low rates, and she found www.compareassetfinance.com. Then Susan realized she owns her loan. Compare Asset Finance was a great way to source multiple quotes from asset-based lenders, offering short-term flexible loans with low interest rates percentage, no credit history affected or checked, no early repayment fees, fast cash. Susan had a rough idea of the resale value of her industrial cleaning equipment would be around $5,000. But Susan needed to keep using the machines to earn money. She just needed some quick cash to cover the immediate tax bill and workers for this month. Then, Susan thought she could use more money to pay for marketing so she could grow her business too. Susan figures she should only need the secured loan for a maximum of 3 months, but loves the fact that asset-based lenders offer no penalties for extending the loan, no early repayment fees either. Susan lists her equipment on Compare Asset Finance, uploading images and a detailed description, with little effort. And in just 1 hour, Susan received multiple offers. Susan accepts a quote from a lender based just 10 miles away from her home. They offered $3,500 at a rate of just 5%. Susan takes the machines to the lender's store. Her machines were visually inspected by the lender. The equipment was as Susan described, so the lender gave her $3,500 in cash. Susan paid the tax bill. Susan also paid the staff that Friday. Susan went back to the lender to repay her loan. Upload your business assets now to receive fast cash offers from our approved lenders. CompareAssetFinance.com. You own your loan.